Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to self-assign roles in Discord. Start by clicking on your server name and going to Server Settings. Create the roles you want users to assign themselves. For this example, we created 4 roles named Role 1, Role 2, Role 3, and Role 4, each with different permissions. Once the roles are created, go back and open the app directory, search for ProBot, and add it to your server. Authorize ProBot, make sure you select your server, then return to Discord and open your server settings again. Go to Roles and ensure that the ProBot role is positioned above the roles you want users to self-assign, then save the changes. Go back to the ProBot website and create a new embed, give it a name, and add a description. Save the changes, send the embed as a new message, and choose the channel where you want the self-assigned message to appear. Return to Discord to confirm the message was posted, then go back to the ProBot website. Scroll down until you find the self-assigned roles option, click Add Message, and make sure the toggle is turned on. Select the embed you created earlier, set it to self-assign, and choose the message you sent in Discord. Choose how roles will be assigned, such as buttons, select menus, or reactions. In this example, buttons are used. Add buttons, choose colors, select the corresponding roles, and rename each button to match the role name. Scroll down, enable any additional options you want, and click Save Changes. Go back to Discord and you will see the self-assign role buttons. Clicking a role button will immediately assign that role to your account. And that's it. We just learned how to self-assign roles on Discord in the easiest way possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial videos.